done. I will tell everything. Each and everything. Just because some people have more followers, just because they can do whatever they want, they can portray everything whatever, however they want, that doesn't mean I'm gonna let that okay guys, when I went to Spitzvilla, I was not moved on from Aditya at all. On day 2, I told everything, like literally everything to Digvijay that bro, ऐसे सा scene है, but I don't know, I'm trying, but I don't know. ठीक है, मैं बाहर आई, things आदित्य को रियलाइज हुआ, मुझे भी बहुत घबराहट हो रही थी. when I got inside, I saw everything. I was like, इन सबसे अच्छा है कि मैं चली जाऊँ बाहर आदित्य के साथ और मैं नहीं ये सब करूँ. उसके बाद क्या क्या नहीं हुआ मेरी लाइफ में, क्या क्या नहीं हुआ. I literally left Aditya for everything, that for Digvijay. ठीक है, and that person is claiming that I cheated on him. I cheated on him. अगर मैंने cheat किया ना तो समझ नहीं आ रहा है. He's not picking up my call. He's not. क्यों कर रही हूँ? Okay. When I came after Spitzvilla, ठीक है, came back, मुझे था कि भाई हाँ मुझे एक बार आदित्य से बात करनी है. I was like, but I still have chats. Digvijay literally forced me to कि let's cash out things, और मैं उसमें भी ऐसे कोई अग्री नहीं किया था. ठीक है, उसके बाद something happened in Mumbai when I went for Shreya's podcast. Okay, I can't tell that what happened, and I badly want to tell that what happened, and I don't even want to give that interview. Okay, but somehow they forced me, and Shreya was like, सब कुछ setup हो चुका है, you guys can't back off. I was there for like 5 days, but मैंने अपनी बहुत जल्दी अपनी tickets book करी, and I came back because something happened, and that I didn't wanted that to happen. And next day on my father's birthday, he was like, no, तुझे श्रेया ने भी बताया था ना, cash out the things, and I was like, bro, I don't know, I'm not feeling it. यहाँ तक हुई चीजें. ठीक है, ये वाली चीज को हटाओ. उसके बाद धीरे धीरे सब कुछ इतना खराब होता गया कि I stopped talking to Aditya. I started talking to Digvijay at that level. मैं उससे बात कर रही हूँ, 6 घंटे हमारी बात हो रही है. I fell for that person, okay? I fell for that person, and I didn't knew कि it was all fake. ठीक है, it was genuine from his side as well. But Aditya was not going through a time जिसमें he was shivering. He was not able to process क्यों क्या हो रहा है, क्योंकि हमारा बहुत टाइम का रिलेशनशिप था. I have all the chats and I will fucking put it out because I'm so done. I clearly told Digvijay कि bro, मेरे लेना कि दिग्विजय का आदित्य का कॉल है, can I pick? He was like, हाँ, talk to him, उसे समझा. मैंने उसे लिख के बोल रही हूँ कि यार दिग्विजय, उसके आंसू मेरे लिए मैटर करते हैं ब्रो. ये सब अक्टूबर को रैंडम, मतलब मैं वो चीज बता नहीं सकती. 3 days he was out with some people doing I can't even tell you what shit. ठीक है, and I was not feeling okay. ठीक है, करा मैंने. उसके बाद उसने मुझे एक रिप्लाई क्या किया उस ब्रेकअप का, आदित्य का टॉपिक. लाइक he was throughout planning all of these things so that one day he could come and say this, and मेरे को बात ही नहीं करनी थी. उसके बाद 15 तारीख को आउट ऑफ नोवेयर इसका कॉल आ रहा है मेरे पास that Unnati, let's go on a trip 15th October को. And I was like, what the fuck is he talking about? 18th को वो मेरी पिक्चर्स पे कमेंट कर रहा है, 28th को वो मेरी स्नैप सेव कर रहा है. I have proof of everything. And then बिग बॉस में जाके उसको एकदम से सब कुछ खत्म हो गया. बिग बॉस के आगे मैंने उसे इतने कॉल्स करे, इतना सब कुछ किया. Even I went to his place कि मेरा गेट खोल दे, उसने मेरा गेट तक नहीं खोला है. And now he is claiming that I cheated on him. Bro, have some courtesy. Just because लड़की अगर अपने एक्स से बात करिए क्योंकि वो नहीं है राइट सिचुएशन में, तो वो चीटिंग हो गई. लेकिन तुम लड़कियों के साथ जाके सो रहे हो. इशिता की बूटी कॉल वाज राइट, शोभिका के साथ सब कुछ सही राइट था. मैंने किसी पे ट्रस्ट नहीं किया, सिर्फ तुझ पे ट्रस्ट किया था. I don't know what to do anymore because I can't take this anymore. Because if you're watching this, I fucking hate you, and this is the reality.